Welcome to Legacy IAS Academy. Today I am going to discuss another important topic of CSAT, that is ranking. So first of all, we have to understand basics of the ranking. Ranking in the sense, consider in a class there are 6 students. Okay, so student A, if he is topped, okay, then from the last his rank will be 6. Consider another student who is rank second from the top, definitely it has rank 5 from the bottom. It simple means like total student is 6 plus 1 minus 1, it will be rank from the last. 6 plus 1 minus 2, that rank will be from the last. Okay, so it simple means whenever total rank is 6, so how we can calculate total rank? So total rank or total student, it means 1 plus 6 minus 1. Clear? Like B, 2 plus 5 minus 1. C, 3 plus 4 minus 1. One thing that you have to remember. Second, now from the top, total rank plus 1 minus rank from the bottom. Or rank from the bottom will be total rank plus 1 rank from the top. So these basic things you have to remember. Or other way, like without knowing all those things also we can solve the question, but if you remember these basic things, that will help you to solve the questions very fast. Now come to the first questions. Arun rank 20th in a class of 46 student. Okay, there are 46 student. Arun got 20th rank. 20th rank. It means before it 9 students are there. 9 students are there. Okay, total student, that is 46. So after him there will be how many student? It will be 46 minus 20, that is 26. Okay, no. Arun rank is 12, not 20th. Arun rank is 12. So definitely 11 student will be before him and 34 student will be after him. It will be 34. Then what will be the her rank from the last? It will be 34 plus 1. This is the one way. Second way, we can simply say that from the last his rank will be total plus 1 minus rank from the starting. So it will be total 46 plus 1 minus 12. So 47 minus 12, that is 35. So you can solve this question both the ways. You can solve through basics also, and you can solve through formula also. Now see one more question. Ravi is 7 rank ahead of Sumit in a class of 39. Okay, if Sumit rank is 17th from the last, what is Ravi rank from the starting? Okay, like Ravi rank is 7 ahead of Sumit. So we have one person Ravi, we have one person Sumit. Okay, Sumit rank is 17th from the last. Okay, so from the starting his rank will be total student 39 plus 1 minus 17. It will be 40 minus 17, that is 23. So from the starting Sumit rank is 23. third. Okay. Ravi is 7 rank ahead. So Ravi rank from the starting will be 23 minus 7, that is 16. Hope you are able to understand this particular question. Very simple way we have solved it. We know Sumit is 17th rank from the last in 39 student. So definitely from the starting it will be 23rd rank, and Ravi is 7 rank ahead. It means 23 minus 7, that is 16. So answers will be 16. Okay. Now come to the one more question. In a class of 35 students, Kiran is placed 7th from the bottom, whereas Sohan is placed 9 from the top. Okay. In a class of 35 students, we have 35 students. Okay. Kiran is 7th place from the Kiran is 7th place from the bottom. Okay, Kiran 7th place from the bottom, and Sohan 9th place from the top. Mohan is placed exactly between two of them. Mohan is placed exactly between two of them. What is Kiran position from Mohan? Okay, so if you see here, two students are there. One we have Kiran, second we have Sohan. Total are 35. So before it and after it, how many students are there? 9 plus 7. Between both of them will be 35 minus 9 plus 7. It will be 35 minus 16, that is 19. 19 students are there among Sohan and Kiran. So Mohan is exactly between. So we can say that in Mohan there will be 9 students this side, 9 students this side, and 10th will be the Mohan. Okay, so here we can see that somewhere Mohan will be here. Here we have 9 students, here we have 9 students. And what is the question? What is the Kiran position from Mohan? Kiran will be 10th position from Mohan, like 9s are between and 1 Kiran. So hope you are able to understand this particular question. So by making simple diagram, you can also solve this question. Now come to the one more questions. Sonal rank 7th from the top and 28 from the bottom. So whenever question comes like that, so how many total student? Total student will be rank from the top, rank from the bottom minus 1. It will be 35 minus 1, that is 34. So answers will be 34. Whenever questions comes like that, someone has 7th rank from the top, 28 rank from the bottom, we just add both the rank and subtract from 1. You will get an answer. Now come to one more question. Manish ranked 16th from the top and 29th from the bottom. Manish rank is 16th from the top and 29th from the bottom. So total student 29 plus 16 minus 1. It will be 45 minus 1. So total students are 44. Okay. 6 boy did not participate in the competition and 5 failed. 6 did not participated and 5 failed. Then total student will be 55. So this is a very easy questions. If you are able to understand these questions, and then easily you can solve it. So answers will be 55. Now come to the one more question. In a square of children, Kashish is 5th from left. So we can say that this is the left and this is the right. Kashish is 5th. So 4 students left of the Kashish, and Mona is 6 from the right. Mona is 6 from the right. So 5 students right of the Mona. When they interchange their places among themselves, Kassis become 13th from left. Kassis become 13th from left. So Kassis came here. Okay. So Kassis become 13th from left. Then what is the Mona's present position from right? What is the Mona's present position from right? So Mona will become here and Kassis have reached here. Okay. So how many total students? So total students will be like Kassis position from right is 6, from left is 13. Left is 13 and right, from the right it is 6. So total students will be 13 plus 6 minus 1. It will be 19 minus 1, that is 18. Total are 18. Now Mona has reached here. So Mona's position from left is 5th. From right it will be 18 minus 5. 18 minus 5 plus 1. So it will be 19 minus 5, that is, we can say that 14. Hope you are able to understand, because we know that if we know rank from bottom like 5th and we know total, so total plus 1 minus bottom, that rank will be from top. That logic we can solve this particular question. Now come to the one more question. In a row of A, this question UPSC has asked in 2014. In a row of A is 11th from the 11th position from the left and right. A is 11th position from the left. Okay, means 10 students are here. 11th will be A. B is 10th positions from right. B is 10th positions from right. So 9 students are here. 10th will be B. If A and B interchange, A become 18th from the left. So A came here. It become 18th, means now A is 18th from the left and A is 10th from the right. So total student will be 18 plus 10 minus 1. It is 28 minus 1, that is 27. Total students are 27. How many persons are there in the row other than A and B? Total 27 minus 2, it is 25. So total students are 25. Hope you are able to understand this particular questions. Now come to the one more question. In a class 60 student, where the number of girls is twice that of boy. Number of girls is twice that of boy. So 60 student, girls are twice, so girls will be 40 and boys will be 20. Okay, hope you are solving mathematics questions also. If there are 60 students, girls are twice, definitely girls are 40 and boys are 20. Komal, a boy, ranked 17th from the top. Komal, a boy, ranked 17th from the top, means 16 students above him. If there are 9 girls ahead of him, 9 girls, okay, where number of girls are twice, okay, 9 girls ahead of him, how many boys ahead of him? How many boys? Like total is 16. How many boys ahead of him? 16 minus 9, that will be 7. 7 boys ahead of him. Okay, total boys 20. If 9 girls, then number of boys rank after him. Okay, so 7 boy ahead of him, 1 person Komal, 8 and 12 will be after him. So by making simple this diagram, you are able to solve these questions very easily. Now see one more question. 15 students failed in a class of 52. So how many passed? 52 minus 15, that will be 37. After removing the names of the failed student, a merit order list has been prepared in which position of Ramesh is 22nd from top. This question UPSC has asked in 2017. From top, it is 22nd. What is the position from bottom? So total plus 1 minus 22. Okay, 38 minus 22, it will be like 16. So from the bottom it will be 16th position. Okay, see one more questions. A is 16th from the left in the row of the boys, and B is 18th from the right end. Like this is the left end. In left end, A is at 16th, means 15 students are left from the A, and B is 18th, means 17 students are right from the B. G is 11th from the A. G is 11th from the A. It means 16th plus 11. Here we have one more person G, which become 37 from the left. 37 from the G is 11th from the A toward the right, and third from the B toward the right. So here we have to again re-modify the diagram. So A is like 16th position, B is like 17th from the right, like 18th from the right, and G, one more person is there. G is third from the B. G is third from the B. It simple mean here we have B. B's right will be this side and left will be this side. So third means first, second, third. So here we have G. Okay, then how many boys are there in the row? So here we have 16. Okay, and 16 plus 11, it become 27. Or here how many students were there? Total 17. 17 how 17 minus 3, so it will be 14. Okay, so plus 14, so that will be around 41. Okay, so again I want to explain you simple way you have to understand. We have calculated G is 27 from the left. Okay, and G is like how much we have to subtract? 18 minus 3. 18 minus 3 means 15 from the right. G is a person which is 27 from the left and 15 from the right. How many students are there? 27 plus 15 minus 1, that is 41. So hope you are able to understand all the question which can be solved by applying this logic. So ranking test, at least every year you are going to get 1 questions or maybe 2 questions. Only thing is you have to understand the questions very carefully and try to plot the student or this rank on a line, then easily you are going to get answers. Thank you for watching this video. Maybe I will take another important video of the CSAT in the next